You press the gas, the engine roars, but your car barely speeds up. The RPMs climb, the noise gets louder, but speed barely twitches. Then you realize something is very wrong. That right there is a slipping transmission, and it's one of the most expensive problems your car can have. But here's what most drivers never realize. A transmission almost never fails overnight. It warns you before it leaves you stranded. So today, I'm breaking down the 5 most common reasons transmissions slip, the warning signs to catch it early, and the cheapest ways to fix it before you're staring at a $4,000 repair bill. Let's get into it. What is transmission slipping?
Transmission slip is when your transmission can't fully transfer the engine's power to the wheels, so the engine speeds up, but the car doesn't accelerate to match. You'll feel it as rising RPMs with little or no gain in speed. The engine revs higher while the car lags behind. It usually means the internal parts that grip and hold the gears, like the clutch packs or bands, are worn or aren't getting enough fluid pressure to do their job.
Okay, now the 5 common causes your transmission might be slipping.
Cause number 1, and by far the most common, low or burnt transmission fluid. Your transmission fluid does 3 jobs. It lubricates the moving parts, it keeps everything cool, and it creates the hydraulic pressure that actually shifts your gears. When the fluid gets low, usually from a leak, or when it gets old and burnt, that pressure drops and your gears start slipping. The good news? This is the cheapest cause to fix, and we'll get to that. Cause number 2, worn clutch packs. An automatic doesn't have one big clutch like a manual. It has a stack of small clutch discs inside that grip and release to change gears. Over time, heat and mileage wear those discs down, and when they can't grip anymore, the gear slips right out from under you. Cause number 3, failing solenoids. Solenoids are small electronic valves that control when and how much fluid flows through the transmission. When your fluid gets dirty, it can clog them up so they stick open or closed. The result is harsh shifting, hesitation, and slipping.
Real quick, if this is helping you out, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It helps the channel, and it keeps videos like this coming. Alright, back to it.
Cause number 4, worn transmission bands. These bands link your gears together and hold them in place. When they stretch, wear, or fall out of adjustment, the transmission can't lock into gear properly and it slips. Sometimes all they need is a simple adjustment, which is a lot cheaper than a replacement. Cause number 5, a failing torque converter. This is the part that transfers power from your engine to the transmission. When it starts to go, you'll often feel a shudder or vibration when you accelerate, along with that slipping feeling and the transmission running hot. So how do you know your transmission is actually slipping? Here are the signs. The biggest one, your engine revs up but your speed doesn't follow. If your RPMs climb past 3,500 and just hang there while you're barely moving, that's a classic slip. You'll also notice sluggish or delayed acceleration, like there's a pause before the car responds. Watch for hard, jerky, or clunky shifts you can feel and hear. Pay attention to a burnt, acrid smell, which means overheating fluid. And don't ignore your check engine or transmission warning light or any whining and grinding noises from underneath. Any one of these is your cue to act. Now here's the part that saves you money. Always start with the cheapest fix first. Number 1, check and change your transmission fluid. If you catch a slip early and the fluid is just low or burnt, a fluid and filter change can restore normal function, and that's often $100 to $200. Number 2, if the fluid is leaking, fix the leak. The usual culprits are the pan gasket, the cooler lines, and the seals, and that's usually a few $100s, not thousands. Number 3, a bad solenoid or a band adjustment is a mid-range repair, far cheaper than what comes next. Because here's the bottom line. If you ignore it, you're looking at a full rebuild or replacement, and a new automatic transmission assembly typically runs anywhere from $1,750 to $4,000 or more.